Hey guys, just this side. I am one of the mentee of Alok sir, and I joined AADME nearly 4 months ago. And it's been really a great journey with AADME and the support team. The support is really helpful. They will reply to your WhatsApp messages within 10-20 minutes, and if in case you have any doubt regarding the course, LMS, and regarding anything, they will definitely help you out. Even they helped me in some non-course related work. And yeah, so after joining AADME, let me explain how my mindset has changed, how my business has changed. So I am one of the I would say I am a young freelancer and going towards a journey of building agency. And I was in search of something that could help me in lead generation. And believe me, the techniques that Alok sir taught us, it's something that won't need cold outreach, because I literally hate cold outreach. And the techniques provided by Alok sir literally helped me to get inbound leads. And as of now, I am easily generating 5 to 6 leads a week easily without any work. I just make some contents that Alok sir guided, and we can easily generate that amount of leads from without any cold outreach and that kind of thing. So yeah, it's been a phenomenal journey. I will definitely recommend Alok sir and AADME to anyone who is still on the fence and thinking if they should join AADME or not. It's a great course, man. Nothing to think here. It's not like already shooted video that will be provided to you. No, it's not going like that. It will be fully live classes, and you will be provided with recording as well. So yeah, it's definitely recommended for my side. Have a good day.